Have you ever struggled with data transformation and data modeling in real-life projects in Power BI? Have you faced issues with managing unnecessarily complex DAX equations? If that sounds like you, stay here, I have something special for you. Hi, I'm Sohail Bakhshi, a Microsoft Data Platform MVP and the author of Expert Data Modeling with Power BI, the first edition and the second edition. Since the release of the second edition of my book in April 2023, we have seen the launch of Microsoft Fabric, the info functions in DAX, the ability of creating calculation group directly in Power BI desktop, the amazing visual calculations, and much more. But despite all of these exciting updates, the core principles of data modeling hasn't changed for relational data modeling. They remain an essential part of the DP600 Microsoft Fabric certification exam. To celebrate these advancements and help you enhance your skills, I am giving up 5 free ebook copies of my book. Here is the hard copy of my book, Expert Data Modeling with Power BI, the second edition, and you will get 5 free copies of this book. Here is how you can win. Follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, or all of them. Reshare this video and the post on LinkedIn and Twitter with others, and comment with "Rock me," and I'm gonna rock you with a free copy of my book. Thanks for tuning in and good luck. Let's rock data modeling together.